The debt ceiling talk seems to be positive going forward. S&P 500 remain above 4,200, which I like to be a buyer. Let me show you why. This is the S&P 500 chart, so you can see price is trying to break resistance. I have mentioned multiple times the 4,200 area level is very, very important, right? Get rid of the pen. So, if price continue to break this resistance and then come back and stay above this 4,180, I could remain a buyer until 4,300 area on S&P 500. Okay, Nasdaq is the one that I continue want to be a buyer, but you have to see we have now 3 days bullish now. Current daily trend lasts only a few days. You can see here 1, 2, 3. So we now have 1, 2, 3. So I'm expecting maybe a little bit higher and then pull back to around the 14,000 area. Then I will look to be a buyer again. Okay, so be patient. I'm not going to chase when it's already popping a lot higher. Dow Jones is less bullish. You can see we are on the daily downtrend, making lower high, lower low. So you can see pop, breaking support. I like to see it regain and stay above this 33,000 area for me to confirm the strength that to buy S&P 500 or the Nasdaq. All right, but underlining, it's only the technology sector that is bullish. If you want to check out my full review on Nvidia, I will leave the link in the description below, okay? Russell, on the other hand, is finding support in this area, so it's very important that I don't see Russell break below this 1,740 area. If it stay below, then yeah, it's not very healthy on buying S&P and Nasdaq, okay? One thing that I would like to point out is I am looking to be a seller of the Hang Seng. It's bearish. We can see we have a daily downtrend and we just broke off the major support around this 19,390 area. So what I like to do is wait for a shallow pullback to this area and look to be a seller of the Hang Seng, okay? So correlate that with some other Chinese indices. With IG, you can have a look at all the major indices in the world. So it's very important this China A50 that is stay below this blue box area, which is around the 13,000, okay? And then China H as well. Let me show you. We're all having a daily downtrend on all the Hong Kong stocks. So with this China H, I like to see it stay below in this. I'm going to draw a box in this area, so the 6,600 area, okay? So that's all for me for the stock indices. I could still remain a buyer on S&P 500 and Nasdaq, but Dow Jones and Russell is too weak for me to buy. Hang Seng is top of my list to sell. If you do have any other comment, let me know. Thanks so much for watching.